You ready? Hey guys, trying to change up our little intro here a little bit. Okay. We're going to do another power hour today. I, as Jason likes to call it, am meticulous about cleaning the house before we go on vacation. So this is probably our second or third power hour that we've done cleaning the house. And it also still...
Preparing to go.
Preparing to go. But it also amazes me, even though I've had 4 kids, the amount of times that we vacuum. I'm honestly going to vacuum the whole house again, which is really lame. But because I just did it. But we decided after we cleaned it last time that he is going to, when he comes back early from our vacation alone, that he is going to clean the carpet.
Yeah, clean the carpets. So
it kind of changed my thought process of vacuum again, but really pull everything up off of the floor, everything that I can. We're not going to be furniture or anything.
Just get it all ready.
Yeah. So we are going to clean the carpet, or vacuum everywhere. But then we're also going to
vacuum the couch.
Vacuum the couches.
Under the cushions.
Hang on. Hang on. Ashley, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay. She wants to go to IKEA so bad today, huh?
You want to go to IKEA?
I mean, we have no reason to go to IKEA today, and it's like far away. But her treat for being good while we clean is to go to IKEA.
We went to IKEA months ago. We did a little video on it even, and ever since she's wanted to go to the blue and yellow place and just been talking about it. So
we're gonna get this power hour done, and the treat is to go to IKEA. But we're also going to clean out the fridge and get rid of all of the expired foods or just leftovers. And clean it out really, really good. And I've already cleaned the kitchen, and the kids have already done their main chores. So I just need to wipe the counters down and kind of clean out the sink. We also need to take the trash out and clean the trash area out. The trash, we'll take the trash out from the whole house as well. So there's a lot that I kind of forgot about from the last power hour that I know that I want to get done before we go. And it's just good to get it done whether you're going on vacation or not. So those are the kinds of things that you can start deep cleaning for your power hours if you are doing those regularly. When you realize I've already cleaned the kitchen, I've already vacuumed the floors, start doing those deep cleaning things. Clean the cupboards, clean the fridge. So I hope that motivates you guys. We're going to start our hour timer. Find it. Set the timer. Turn on some music. Clean for that full hour. And then we are going to reward ourselves with some IKEA time. Right, Ash?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing beats IKEA chicken strips.
Nope.
Swedish fish.
Swedish fish.
Ooh, those other ones though. There's those new ones.
The little horsies.
Horses, man. Those are good.
All right, so we're going to set our timer. I'll come closer, and we're going to get cleaning.
All right, let's do it.
time, huh?
Shush. I was working hard.
All right. So that was our power hour. We had a couple technical difficulties. We had batteries that are old and they're just like dying, and like every 10 minutes we had a battery dying.
You gotta save up for the new batteries.
They're just old batteries. So anyway, we had technical difficulties, so then we had to keep pausing the timer, and then we just needed to be parents first and power hour second. So the kids kept needing us.
There are a few parental child disturbances.
So we had to kind of keep stopping. And then when we came in here, we realized we did not need to vacuum in here, but we did need to make the bed. So we did that. Anyway, and I changed because they didn't believe, my youngest actually doesn't believe that we're going to go to IKEA. And like I had to prove to her that
she wants to go to IKEA so bad.
Yeah. So we're going to go to IKEA. I don't know what we're going to get there, but we're going to go. Thank you for watching this power hour. To us, everybody. It felt like it was kind of all over the place, but hopefully it doesn't look like that way on camera. So,
well, we had fun. Thanks for watching. We got exciting videos coming.
Yeah. So
Thank you so much for support.
Yeah. Go check out my other cleaning videos in preparation for traveling and going on vacation. But also I've got some travel, like packing videos coming up. I
still have to pack.
Yeah. I do all this work for like a week, and then he's like, oh, yeah, I guess I should pack, and it's the night before.
No.
And it's obviously not the night before because he hasn't packed yet. So
I would be happy to help pack, except I wouldn't pack it right. So
no, he wouldn't pack it right.
It would just cause you more stress.
Yeah. So thank you for watching, you guys, and this is us. This is just
This is it.
This is what you're gonna get. If you like it, come back for more.
It doesn't
Thanks,
get
guys.
any better. That was good.
All right. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. The little one's behind. That was mine. Can you make it look nice? Can you try? Stop! You're being a brat. I'm going to talk about this.
Okay.
Stop. The zipper's on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Right. Stop. Stop. All right.
Can we sit on it?
It's not bad.